Hey Kitchen Kettle friends and family, we're doing a Jammin' in your kitchen giveaway. That's right, it's a Jammin' in your kitchen giveaway. I'm here with Yummy. He's jamming out with some pepper jam and I have some pickle chips. So we want to know what you're doing in your kitchen to have fun during these crazy times. Who are you cooking with and what are you cooking? So we're going to give a $100 gift basket away to whoever has the most creative post on who they're cooking with and what they're cooking in their kitchen. So post on our Facebook page a photo or a video and you could be registered to win a $100 Kitchen Kettle Village gift basket. So Yummy and I are jamming out with some products. So having fun in your kitchen, stay inspired and stay safe. We'll see you soon.